Come on, let's go.
Come on.
Let's go.
Come on, baby.
No, come on, baby. Time to go to bed.
You okay?
I'm okay.
You okay?
I'm okay, but it's bedtime. Come on. So, guys, I just leave his fruits on this desk. This is where he sits in my bedroom. I think I've shown you this video before. And this is the vanity mirror, this one that he likes to perch on. So I just put a tissue or something at the bottom so the poop falls on that. Because this is one of the spots he sits and he poops on. He'll fly to this and he'll poop on it. So I just throw that away every day and put a new roll. Like a little small piece. Come on, let's go. We're going to bed. Let's go. Come on. Don't look at me. We're going to bed. Don't look at me. It's bedtime. Why are you looking at me? It's not going to help. Come on. Come on, Milo. Ugh. Such an actor, guys.
Come on.
I said, come on. It's walking. It's such an action walk. Come on, let's go. No. Are you taunting me? Come on. Nah. That's what he does. He'll go in circles, and he'll just stand there and they look at me. Yeah, that's what you do. You're a little trickster. Come on. Nope. Do this walk, this waddle around, and they'll climb up. Excuse me, you can't hide from me. I can still see you. You're not hiding from me, Milo. I can see you. Are you peeking at me? Look at him, guys. He's so dramatic, I swear. Milo? Milo? Milo, stop hiding. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at him. Look at him. He's gonna peek. What are you doing? Come on. Oh, now you're trying to be an acrobat now? Okay. I know he can just fly up there, but no. He wants to do things the hard way. Do you want to go to bed? Do you want to go to bed? Do you? Come on, let's go. Step up. Step up, come on. Step up, Milo. Good boy. What a good boy.